In this video, I'm going to share the real deal on how to crush your home renovation project without losing your mind or your wallet. Alright, so first thing, you gotta start with a solid plan. Like, don't just wing it and hope for the best. That's a recipe for disaster. Write down what you want done, set a realistic timeline, and figure out your budget before you even pick up a hammer. Next, do your homework on materials. Choose stuff that fits your climate and the kind of look you're going for, because cheap or wrong materials end up costing you more in the long run. Also, be smart about hiring contractors, check reviews, ask for references, and don't just go with the lowest bid. Quality matters. When you're budgeting, always add a little extra cash for surprises because stuff always pops up. Don't forget about permits. Yeah, they can be a pain, but skipping them can lead to fines or even having to tear down your work. Keep communication open with your contractor so you know exactly what's going on at all times. And finally, stay flexible but firm on your priorities so you don't get swayed into spending on things that aren't important. One of the biggest screw-ups I see is poor planning. People jump in without figuring out all the steps and end up with delays and extra costs. Another big mistake is underestimating costs. If you don't budget enough for materials and labor, you're going to stress over money halfway through. And then there's ignoring permits, which is a huge no-no because it can lead to legal troubles or having to redo everything. The fix? Take your time planning, build in extra funds, and make sure you get all the necessary approvals before starting. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it hooks up homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great way to find new clients and keep your schedule full without all the hassle of marketing on your own.